Hi everybody.
Hi ma'am.
Hi Nikita and hi Anushya. So today is the last day of the session.
Yes. We
And we have, I think in this 3-day session, you people have learned a lot of things.
Yes.
So today is basically the bread sessions. So we have taught you a lot of different types of bread, buns, pizza, burger. So you can have a look the things what we have done in our sessions today. So we had made the breads and the burgers, the pizzas here, the stuffed bun, the masala bun, and the sweet buns, and donuts.
The favorite donuts.
The favorite donut, the heart-shaped donut, made by Nikita Balakrishnan. To be, we can say the to be professional baker. And with this is with Anushya Narayanamurthy, to be professional bakers. And this is a tart. Yesterday I had done tart, still lying here. Okay. So this is small feedback we would like to collect from both of you. That 3-day session what we had conducted, it was like, though the session was very tiring, I know that.
Yeah,
because
it
we
was
have
nice. So it was so much of fun, and we learned so much stuff. We could learn a lot, like all those wheat breads, burgers, pizzas, cakes, and what else did we learn? I can't even remember.
So like
So
daily,
much.
3 continuous the session was there. And
3
first
days.
day we had different types of cakes with icing and toppings and all that. The second day we had cookies and tarts
Puffs.
and puffs.
And
today is the bread session where we learned, taught you different types of bread, bun, pizza, burger. And what do you like? It was very tiring. I can understand.
Only last class was a bit tiring because we had to do all the doves and stuff. So
No, because it will be tiring because in 3 days we have learned a lot of items. You have learned almost more than 20 plus items.
Yes.
And with the materials and everything, and it was hand-on experience materials.
Yes.
So, how confident you feel after this session, both
We
of you?
feel very nice, and you gave us the what is that? What is it called?
No, how is your confidence level?
No, actually, before coming to this class, I felt very. I was like, I don't know anything about baking, so I just approached Mamta ma'am for this. And once after that, coming to this class, I just feel I'm more confident in baking with cakes and puffs and whatsoever here, whatever you're seeing here in the table. And the 3-day session, though it's tiring, but it's full of very good tips, whatever we have collected from her, and it would be so informative. And it's so helpful for us in baking further, and anyone who is looking for these kinds of classes, please approach, and it's so helpful to take it to the next level of baking. And thanks Mamta ma'am for all your support.
Thank
and
you
your
so
guidance.
much, Mamta
Welcome,
ma'am. It was
Anushya.
very nice.
It was so
Welcome.
delicious, and
The
everywhere so
taste is
delightful
very
and
nice,
healthy.
and the confidence level boosts up so much because we learn a lot here. Thank you.
Thank you, Anisha. Thank you, Nikita.
Thank
So, we wish you both of you all the best. So, wish you both of you all the best and see you all as one day as a professional baker. So, because with that in mind, you have come, and I hope I have able to help you out.
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
cleared all your queries and all your doubts, and my sessions are basically hands-on practical. After the practical sessions, I think the confidence in both of you might have developed. Thank you. Thank you a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am.